next. So we're going to spin the feet right around. We're going to pop this right through here. Up like this. Up like this.
Whoa. I know what this is. What?
Okay, watch.
That's a Mommy, do you want to trade?
Everybody, beautiful pumpkin. Yeah, that one too. There you go. Okay, hold that one. Okay, every witch needs a broom. Give Ashley a great big king, give everybody a great big smile, and go fly away down your broom. There you go. The pig was grilled. So Michael, this is for you. I called you because we have the same name.
We've been working with Michael for well over 3 years. At Recreation, it's important for us to find quality entertainers. We specialize in children's activities throughout the year, and we have special events centered around the kids of our city at different times. And it's, as I said, it's important to find an entertainer who can relate to the kids, who can work within our limited space. A lot of times our programs are held outdoors, so we have to be creative in planning. We found that working with Michael is, as I said, very accommodating. He's enjoyable, and I think that he's brought a quality to our special events. And that's why we invite him back year after year. If it's a Christmas event, if it's a summer event, again, he's designing his performance to fit our needs, but especially to fit the needs of the events and what we're trying to do here at Recreation.
Now, wasn't that fun? I want to thank you again for taking the time to watch this video, and hopefully we answered some of your questions about hiring entertainment for your next event. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
You are